Hi, so the magic of touch is the next workshop on the 1st of July, and I'd like to speak a little bit more into what we're going to be doing on that workshop with touch. So we will be exploring what different types of touches do for you and which of them you may be lacking in your life and which of them you may be needing off. So if you feel that touch is something that you love, this workshop is for you. If you feel touch is something that you want to develop a closer relationship with, then this workshop is also for you. We will be specifically looking at different touch through our growth from baby, actually in utero, to adulthood. And that sometimes people relate to that as attachment trauma therapy, but it's not entirely how we do it. We just work more on the somatic body, getting an understanding what periods of our life needed touch. So that's the quality of touch that we'll be working with. Very much looking forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, always feel free to email us. Otherwise, check out my website, tasteoflove.com.au. And also after the day workshop, we always run a Tantra touch temple, which is a beautiful event to get more touch, but also have a sauna and a spa, eat together, and just have that snuggly community feeling. So the magic of touch, love to see you there, July 1st.